In today's video, we are going to show you how to export a bank statement in Xero. Whether you need it for reporting, sharing with your accountant, or keeping records, we've got you covered. So let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. And then once you are inside the dashboard, on the top menu, I want you to click the accounting because this is where the bank accounts live. All I have to do is choose the bank account that you wanted to export the statement. For example, this one right here. There is like a three dots icon beside the bank that is connected to your Xero account. I want you to click on it and click the account transactions. What will happen is you will be forwarded here. Select the account transaction that you wanted to export. In my case, I have this one. I'm going to click on it. Look for the options on the top corner because it has a drop-down menu. And all I have to do at this point is you can send the receipt, or to export it, click the view receipt as PDF. Now you can select the branding type. Is it going to be standard or unbranded? It's up to you. In our case, I'm going to choose the standard. Click the OK button. It's now preparing the statement of account. And from here, all I have to do is rename the file, save it to your computer. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to export a bank statement in Xero. Now, if you are sending this to an accountant or your client, PDF is usually the best option. But if you need to work with the data, you can go with Excel or CSV. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.